Hello students, in this video we are going to see addition and subtraction of rational numbers. When you are going to add or subtract the rational numbers, first you observe the denominators of the rational numbers. If the denominators are same, we can simplify easily by taking the common denominator 12. Then let's simplify the numerators. That is the first numerator 11. Here we are going to add plus, then the second numerator minus 7. So let's write within the bracket. Now we need to simplify the integers. So 11 plus into minus 7 by 12. We opened the bracket here. Then 11 minus 7, 4 by 12. And check whether is it in the simplest form. It's not in simplest form. We can simplify further. So both are having numerator and denominators are having common factor 4. So let's divide the numerator and denominator by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So we get the answer as 1 by 3. So always our answer should be in simplest form, least form. Then let's see another question. Again we are going to add the rational numbers. See whether the denominators are same or not. If the denominators are same, let's pick up the common denominator 10. Then simplify the numerators. So the first numerator 3, here the operation plus, and the second numerator minus 9. So within the bracket we write equal to, let's open the bracket, we are simplifying the integers. So 3 plus into minus 9 by 10. Now again we are simplifying the integers, that is unlike sign, subtract, then we place greater number sign. So we get minus 6, 9 minus 3 6, and the greater number sign minus. So minus 6 by 10. So check again, is this in the simplest form? No, because further we can simplify. Both numerator and denominators are having common factor 2. So by dividing 2 we get minus 3, that is 3 2s are 6 by 2 5s are 10. So minus 3 by 5 is the answer. So your answer must be in simplest form. Let's see two more questions. The previous questions, the denominators were same, is it? So we have done directly, we simplified the numerators by taking the common denominator. Now you see the question, the third question. Before going to add or subtract, we need to see the denominators. Here the denominators of the rational numbers are different. So if the denominators are different, then the next step we are going to find the LCM of the denominators. Let's find the LCM of denominators. So let's take the denominators 8 and 4. We are finding the LCM of denominators. So 8 and 4, take 2, 4 times, then 2 times, again 2 we can take 2 times, 1 time. Yeah, is it? So let's stop here. Then what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the LCM is 8. So now we'll come back to the question. Why do we do this LCM step? When the denominators are different, when we are going to add or subtract the rational numbers. When you are going to add or subtract the rational numbers, if the denominators are different, let's find the LCM of the denominators. Then we are placing the common division bar, pick up the LCM as denominator. Write the LCM as denominator. Now come to the first rational number. Sorry, just a minute. Yeah. So now the denominator is 8, which we found the LCM. Take the first rational number and the denominator with 8. What to be multiplied to get 8? With 8, what to be multiplied to get 8? 1, is it or not? 1 8s are, 8 ones are, or 1 8s are 8. So with the same factor, let's multiply the numerator also. Let's multiply the numerator. Even we can write like this, 8, because with 8 what to be multiplied to get 8? 1. With the same factor 1, let's multiply the numerator. So actually what is the numerator? Minus 7 into 1. This minus, don't forget. So minus 7 into 1, minus 7. Then what operation are we doing? Addition. So plus. Then the second denominator. Take 4. With 4, what to be multiplied to get 8? With 4, what to be multiplied to get 8? 4 2s are 8, is it? So 4 2s are, we are getting 8. With the same factor 2, let's multiply the numerator. So 1 2s are 2. Now let's simplify the numerator. Unlike, subtract, then we place greater number sign in the answer. So unlike, we need to subtract the value 7 minus 2, 5, and the greater number sign negative minus 5 by 8. It is in simplest form, is it? We cannot simplify further, so let's leave. This is the final answer. So next question, let's go to the next question. Again, we are going to add the rational numbers. If you are going to add 2 or 3 or more, same procedure. Check whether the denominators of rational numbers same or not. If same, we will be simplifying the numerators directly. But if the denominators are different, we need to find LCM of the denominators. Why are we doing this step? After finding LCM, we are changing the denominators as like. That's why we are doing this step. So when do you do this LCM step? When the denominators are different in addition and subtraction of rational numbers. Okay, now let's find the LCM of 14 and 7. Let me take 7 2 times and 1 time. So let's stop, and what is the LCM of this? 7 2s are 14. So LCM of 14 and 7 is 14. So after finding LCM, let's take the denominator as LCM, is it? Take the first, take the first denominator with 14. What to be multiplied to get 14? With 14, what to be multiplied to get 14? Of course 1, is it? 14 ones are 14. With the same factor, multiply the numerator also. So here minus 9, is it? Minus 9 into 1. So we get minus 9. We get minus 9. Minus 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. Minus into plus minus. So minus 9. And here the operation plus. Then take the second denominator with 7. What to be multiplied to get 14? So with 7, what to be multiplied to get 14? 2. So with the same factor 2, let's multiply the numerator also. 2 2s are 4. So now we need to simplify the numerator. Unlike again unlike, subtract 9 minus 4 5, and the greater number sign negative minus 5 by the denominator 14, and it is in simplest form, so we can stop here. This is the answer. So till now we have seen addition of rational numbers. Let's go further. Subtraction of rational numbers. As usual, no changes. You need to see whether the denominators are same or not. So here the denominators are same, so we can take the common denominator 8. Then let's simplify the numerators. So the first numerator 5, and the operation here subtraction, that is minus, and the second numerator minus 7. See, we are not doing here LCM step because the denominators are same. Like when the denominators are same, by taking the common denominator and we need to simplify the numerators, that's all. We can get the answer. So now let's simplify the numerators. Let's open the bracket. 5 minus into minus plus 7 by 8, and further this direct addition 12 by 8. 12 by 8. This is not in simplest form because both have common factor. The highest common factor 4. So let's multiply the numerator and denominator by the factor 4. So how many times 4? 3 times. And here how many times? 2 times. So 3 by 2. The answer 3 by 2. Since it is improper even, we can give the answer finally as a mixed form 1.5 also. So when the denominators are same, in addition or subtraction, we do like these steps. Let's see, suppose if the denominators are different, how to simplify? 3 by 8 minus 7 by 5. Okay, we are getting like this. That is, from 3 by 8 we are going to take away minus 7 by 5. It is subtraction of rational numbers. So what is the first step we do to subtract the rational numbers? See whether the denominators of the rational numbers same or not. So here the denominators are different, so we go the next step, finding LCM of the denominators. Finding LCM of the denominators 8 and 5. So let me take 5 here, 8 not possible, 1 time, again 2, 4 times, again 2, 2 times. So let's stop here. So what is the LCM? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So LCM of 8 and 5 is 40. So after finding LCM, you know very well, what do? We take the LCM as denominator. We take the LCM as denominator, that is fresh denominator. Okay. So now let's take the first denominator with 8. What to be multiplied to get 40? With 8, 5 to be multiplied, is it? 8 5s are 40. So with the same factor 5, we multiply the numerator also. So 3 5s are 15. Then here negative, is it? Minus. We are subtracting. So subtractor by. Then take the second denominator 5. With 5, what to be multiplied to get 40? With 5, what to be multiplied to get 40? Of course, it's very easy, no? Here itself we have answer. 5 8s are is it? 5 8s are 40. So with the same factor 8, let's multiply the numerator also. So here minus 7 into 8. Minus 7 into 8. So plus into minus minus, 7 8s are 56. We get answer minus 56. Minus 7 into 8. Minus into plus, here plus is hiding, is it? So minus into plus, minus 7 8s are 56. Minus 56. Minus 7 into 8. Minus 56. So I am writing within the bracket. Minus 56, because already there is a sign negative, so that's why we are writing in bracket. So let's simplify this one. 15, we are opening the bracket, minus into minus plus 56 by 40. Then it is direct addition, is it? So if you add 71, is it? We get 71 by 40. And which is in simplest form, we cannot simplify further, but it is in improper, we can write in mixed form. So like this we can simplify the addition and subtraction of rational numbers. When do we do this LCM step? When the denominators are different, we apply this. When the denominators are same, we will simplify directly the numerators.